My name is Saif. For a long time, my mind lived in two places, the past and the future. When I thought about the past, I remembered mistakes, things I said wrong, things I should have done better, moments I wished I could change. When I thought about the future, I felt worried. What will happen next? Will I succeed? Will I make the right choices? Because of this, I rarely focused on the present. Even when I was sitting with friends, my mind was somewhere else. Even when I studied, I worried about results. One day, I visited my cousin in another city. He lived near a small lake. Early in the morning, he asked me to walk with him. The air felt cool. The surroundings were quiet. We walked slowly near the lake. The water looked calm. Birds were flying above the water. Everything felt peaceful. My cousin stopped walking and sat near the lake. He said, "Just sit quietly for a few minutes." At first, I felt restless. My mind started thinking again. But after some time, I began noticing small details. The sound of birds, the movement of water, the gentle wind. For the first time in many days, my mind felt calm. After a few minutes, my cousin said something simple. Most people miss moments like this. They are physically present, but mentally somewhere else. His words made me think. I realized I was often living in thoughts instead of reality. That day, I decided to try something new. I started paying attention to the present. When I ate food, I focused on the taste. When I studied English, I focused on each sentence. When I talked with friends, I listened carefully. At first, it required effort, but slowly, it became natural. I noticed something surprising. Life felt calmer. I felt less stressed. I understood things better. Because when you focus on the present, your mind becomes clearer. The past cannot be changed. The future is uncertain, but the present is where you can take action. Now, whenever my mind starts worrying, I remind myself to return to the moment. Take a deep breath. Look around. Focus on now, because the present moment is where life actually happens. Final thought. Do not let your mind stay in the past or worry about the future. Focus on the present moment. It brings clarity and peace. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep living in the present. And always remember, the present moment is where your life unfolds.